Welcome to the 15th lesson of SmartKnitter, Knit Specification Level 2. The main focus of this lesson is on the irregular shift of the front side seam. We are now learning the irregular shift of the front side seam. I will demonstrate using the front panel as an example. When doing division with the sweep, first switch the relevant panel to the new waistband mode. Right-click on the relevant panel, then switch to the new waistband mode. Next, add the relevant nodes for assistance in division. Set the relevant dimensions, then proceed with the division. Right-click on the relevant node, then choose to add new division line point. This allows you to divide unnecessary sections, and by adding relevant nodes, create the shape of the panel. Add a node at the top of sweep to distinguish between the sweep and body. Then, divide the right side using the same method. Set the relevant dimensions and adjust the knitting rules. Finally, let's take a look at the modified front panel with adjusted knitting rules. This marks the end of this class. Thank you for watching.